Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Freen and Becky Update. You are here because we have one thing in common. We love the ladies. And as we all know by now, they are here in the Philippines for their 2 days fabulous FANBOOM. I am sure a lot of you already noticed the difference between their last visit here in the Philippines, and even when they had their Macau FANBOOM, they are more reserved now. They share lesser updates on their social media account. We can't blame them. After all that is happening around them lately, they need to be more conscious. It's for their own safety anyway, there will be no arguing on that. We only want them to be safe. But today, let's check some of the highlights from yesterday and today's sound check. Check out this video of Becky yesterday when they arrived in Cebu. Being protective of Freen, letting Freen to walk in front of her. But in the end, Freen still let Becky to enter first in the van. Oh Freen, such a gentlewoman. Here is some of the happenings inside the venue during soundcheck. We really appreciates the ladies. They looks like they are having a good time. After all, it's their 3rd time here. I think they kinda love the filo vibes. Here, a fan asked Freen to marry her, and Freen then reply yes and show her the ring.
Will you marry me? Yes. Show me the ring.
That is for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next update.